In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your YouTube Shorts two ways. So whether you want to add a trending sound to your video or you just want to use copyright-free music so that you can monetize your content, I got you covered. Firstly, let's start with adding music on YouTube's app. So if you're scrolling through the Shorts feed here and you find a song that you like, you can click on the icon for it down in the bottom right-hand corner. Then you can tap save or use this sound and then add that to your YouTube Short. Another way here to add trending music to your shorts is to tap the plus sign down the bottom and then you can film your video or you can upload it right from your camera roll and then hit done. Now click add sound at the very top of the screen. Trending songs are going to appear under recommended, and if you do want a specific song, you can use the search bar here to look it up. Now once you've found your song, tap on the track and then you can click the blue arrow. Then you're going to click the tick in the bottom right hand corner and there you have it. Then hit next to post it with a caption. So that's how to add music to YouTube Shorts on the app. However, with this route, you're likely to run into some copyright issues, meaning that you can't monetize your content. So let me show you an alternative way to add music to your shorts that can earn you money. Now for this, we're going to hop on to VEED.io and I'm going to leave a link for this down in the description. So click add audio to video and now we're going to upload our short. You can click search next to stock music in the editing panel and here you can filter your songs by trait or by genre. Hit play to hear the track and then hit the plus sign to add it to your YouTube short. Now you can just push that track layer over to the left here so that your music and your short end in sync. Then you can fade your music in and out and adjust the volume. Lastly, render and export it. It is literally that easy to add music to your shorts. Now if you want to learn how to add music to your Instagram reels, then you should watch this video next. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!